My name is Amyar. Today we're talking about football supervised by Miss Trwska. What is football? It's a game that started in 1567. People have to kick the ball into the net, and only 11 people can play in a team. Who are the best players in football? Yes, but in the olden days it was Pele. Now it's Messi and Ronaldo. This is a picture of Ronaldo. This is a picture of Pele. That's a picture of Messi. What do you call the best in football? In football, we call the best the goat because goats are the best animals to play in football. Who makes the most money in football? Ronaldo and Messi make the same, but then is Neymar Jr. who makes like 2 million per week. Then is Pele. Thanks for your listening.